Hey, first graders. Today we are on day 2 of talking about rocks, and today we're talking about metamorphic rocks. Our learning target: I can compare and contrast rocks and soil. Let's talk about metamorphic rocks. Well, metamorphic rocks are pretty unique. Now it says these rocks get their name from the Greek words meta and morph, meaning change of form, and are igneous or sedimentary rocks that have been altered by heat or pressure or both. So think about intense heat and intense pressure, and that happens with these sedimentary and igneous rocks, and it changes a form to become a metamorphic rock. It morphs them, it changes them. Such conditions can exist during mountain building processes. Buried rocks may then be subjected to high temperatures and may be squeezed or folded, causing minerals in the rocks to recrystallize and new minerals to form. Other metamorphic rocks are formed when rocks surrounding a hot igneous mass are baked by the heat. Now let's take a look at some metamorphic rocks here. All right, so here is schist, and this is on a poster, but this is what it looks like from a picture on the internet. There's different types, but look how they kind of just have some cool different colors to them. Slate, you may have seen slate before. Marble. Now in the next few slides, I'm going to show you more about marble. Marble is used in making many statues. Marble is soft. Quartzite. Look at there. And then gneiss. It's kind of a pretty looking rock. Okay, now you may have marble countertops, marble floors, marble something. And so look at these countertops made of marble, and they have some marble on their walls here. It's kind of beautiful, I think, at least. All right, now, why is marble used for statues? Well, marble is a translucent stone that allows light to enter and produce a soft glow. It also has the ability to take a very high polish. These properties make it a beautiful stone for producing sculptures. It is soft, making it easy to sculpt. And when it is fine-grained, it has uniform properties in all directions. All right, so take a look here. This is Abraham Lincoln, our 16th president. This is inside the Lincoln Monument. Okay. And this is Alexander Hamilton, one of our founding fathers. This is in the Capitol in Washington, D.C. All right, so the next thing you have to do is there's a short video right below this that goes along with metamorphic rocks. Now, I want you to start at 15 seconds and only watch until 1 minute and 12 seconds. Okay? There is no other assignment for this today. I just want you guys to have a great weekend and get outside if it's nice out and maybe do some yard work. All right, bye guys.